Hey, good afternoon, guys. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm showing you a fresh trade-in. Today's a 2021 Yamaha 255 FSH. It's a freshwater boat. It's in really good condition. Of course, trailer, aluminum I-beam trailer included. It's got the tan interior in it. Got a transfer remote, of course, the clean outs. I'll show you the exterior. I mean, there's a few small, I guess you would say little scratch there, but very clean boat, always kept inside. Used locally here on Lake Hartwell. Climb aboard and take a look. Yamaha cooler, of course. It's got the 12-inch Simrad. It's got the Yamaha screen. Of course, it is DTS because it's the 255 FSHE, so it's the E series. So digital throttle. Very clean boat. Of course, it does have all the cushions. They're all stowed away out of the weather. Nice front forward platform. It's got the wet sound. It's already got the quick release trolling motor bracket on it. It's wired for a trolling motor. The customer traded in for a new 255, so he took his trolling motor. Gunnel storage. So overall, a really clean boat. Not many of these boats are on the market because not many people want to trade them. This one here is available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.